class 1 to 8 may be promoted without any exams, says Odisha Minister. Maths, Physics and Chemistry not compulsory for engineering admissions, says AICTE. LSAT India 2021 March attempt registration to close soon. One college and two schools shut in Surat as 20 students contract COVID-19. 119 academic and administrative posts approved in 15 nursing schools and colleges in Jammu and Kashmir. RRB NTPC 5th phase exam to be held as per schedule amidst lockdown in Nagpur. Online test for government recruitment likely to be held in September. Schools in Punjab closed, night curfew imposed in 8 districts amidst surge in COVID-19 cases. DUTA continues Delhi University shutdown, alleges government planning to disaffiliate 12 colleges. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Odisha School and Mass Education Minister S.R. Dash on Saturday said students from class 1 to class 8 may be promoted to the next class without any examination, as schools have remained shut for them since March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The minister said a final decision in this regard will be taken by the government soon. The classes for the students of classes 1 to 8 will not resume soon in view of the recent surge in COVID-19 cases in some states. He also said that the new academic session may not start in April this year. In a major change in the eligibility criteria for engineering courses, the All India Council for Technical Education, that is the AICTE, the technical education regulator, has made physics, chemistry and mathematics, that is PCM, optional for students who wish to pursue technical courses like biotechnology, textile or agriculture engineering at the undergraduate level. However, PCM remains mandatory for most engineering subjects like computer science. In a virtual release of the handbook on Friday, AICTE chairperson Anil Sahasrabuddhe said, the revised regulation is in line with the National Education Policy vision that encourages flexibility in the choice of subjects. In 2010, AICTE made only physics and maths mandatory for nearly 7 to 8 subjects. We have been facing challenges as new disciplines have emerged, where many students questioned why they have to study chemistry when they don't use it in their entire career. Similarly, many students demanded to study biology as they need to pursue biotechnology. Therefore, we are creating a new window for students who have either not taken maths or physics or chemistry but can enter into engineering, he said. The application process for the Law School Admission Test LSAT 2021 March attempt will be closed on March 14. The Law School Admission Council will hold LSAT 2021 in India on March 25th for CBSE aspirants who wish to appear before their board exams scheduled from May 4th. Meanwhile, LSAT will be conducted over several days and time slots starting June 14th. The candidates who cleared LSAT will be eligible for undergraduate and postgraduate programs in law at various law colleges across India. There are over 50 law schools in India that accept LSAT scores for admission. 2 primary schools and a college in Gujarat, Surat city, have been shut for 2 weeks after 20 students there tested positive for coronavirus, officials said on Sunday. Since the educational institutions reopened in Surat in February 2021, so far 118 students and teachers in the city have tested positive for the viral infection. On Saturday, the Surat Municipal Corporation decided to close the CD Barfiwala College for 14 days after 10 students there tested positive for the coronavirus, a civic official said. Besides, 6 students of one primary school and 4 of another school also tested positive for the infection on Saturday, following which both the educational institutions were also asked to remain closed for 14 days. The Jammu and Kashmir administration has granted approval to the creation of 119 posts in 10 new auxiliary nursery midwifery and general nursing and midwifery schools and 5 nursing colleges, an official spokesperson said on Sunday. With this, all the 15 new nursing schools and colleges will be made fully operational, he said. A proposal submitted by the Health and Medical Education Department for these academic and administrative posts was approved by the Administrative Council, which met under the chairmanship of Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, the spokesman said. The decision will enhance the quality of paramedical education and services provided by the nursing sector, he said. The Railway Recruitment Board, that is the RRB, on Saturday released an official notification for the candidates residing in Nagpur and have registered to appear for the RRB NTPC 5th Phase Examination 2021 on its official website. The RRB NTPC 5th Phase computer-based exam is scheduled to be conducted from March 4th to 27th, 2021 at various centres spread across the country. According to the notification, the board will be conducting the RRB NTPC 5th Phase examination in Nagpur as per the schedule irrespective of the lockdown imposed by the Maharashtra government from March 15th to 21st, 2021 in order to curb the spread of the COVID cases. Online test for government recruitment is likely to be held in September, said the Union Minister Jitendra Singh on Saturday. He said the National Recruitment Agency, that is the NRA, for conducting the CET has been constituted with the approval of the Union Cabinet. As a major boon for the youth, particularly the government job aspirants, a common eligibility test will be conducted across the country from this year to screen and shortlist candidates for recruitment to central government jobs, said Singh. The first such test is likely to be held in the later part of 2021, probably around September or so, he said. He also said the path-breaking transformational reform carried out by the Department of Personnel and Training was possible because of the personal intervention of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his deep concern for the youth. The Punjab government imposed a night curfew in 4 more districts on Friday and closed all schools due to the surge in coronavirus cases in the state, officials said. In total, the night curfew is imposed from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. in 8 districts: Ludhiana, Patiala, Mohali, Fatehgarh Sahib, Jalandhar, Navanshahar, Kapurthala and Hoshiarpur. The Department of School Education has declared preparatory leaves for all classes in government and private schools, State Education Minister Vijay Inder Singla said. However, the teachers will continue to remain present in the school. The students who want to take any guidance from their teachers regarding exam preparation can come to school, the minister said. The final examination in schools would be conducted offline while adhering to the COVID-19 guidelines strictly. The Delhi University Teachers Association, that is the DUTA, on Saturday decided to continue its university shutdown, alleging that the funds released by the Delhi government for 12 DU colleges were insufficient. The extended executive also alleged that the 12 Delhi government-funded College of Delhi University are being forced to adopt a new document titled Pattern of Assistance in their governing bodies, through which the government is trying to find ways to disaffiliate them from the Delhi University. The executive body, headed by Rajiv Ray, said in a meeting that they will continue the DU shutdown as the grants of Rs 82.79 crores under salary head and Rs 9.50 crores under other salaries head released on Friday will only meet requirements for payment of salaries up to January. The provisions of this pattern of assistance are designed to redefine association of these 12 colleges with Delhi University and divest Delhi government of its funding responsibility by coercing them to gradually become self-sufficient and self-sustaining, Mr. Ray said in a statement. The colleges, which were earlier referred to as 100% funded Delhi government-maintained colleges of DU, are now addressed in the document as 100% funded Delhi government-sponsored college affiliated to University of Delhi. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theENN.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.